In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset a Windows 10 PC or laptop without a password. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is go to the bottom right corner of the login screen and just hold the shift key down on your keyboard and just click restart while holding shift, and it's going to put your PC in Windows recovery mode after it restarts. From here, just select reset this PC and you'll see two different options. Since you don't have access to the password or Microsoft account, select remove everything. And you'll be asked if you want to reinstall Windows. If you have an internet connection, you can choose Cloud Download, which installs the latest version of Windows. However, the faster option is going to be that local reinstall, so go ahead and select that. And after that, you'll be asked whether you want to fully clean the drive or remove your files. In most cases, I would just recommend removing any files since it is quicker. But from here, just confirm that everything looks correct and click restart and the process will begin. It may take some time, so just make sure your PC stays powered on during the process. But that is it. That is how your Windows 10 PC can be reset back to its factory-like state. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.